Because this is just something I just did on a whim. I thought for sure it was that. Hello everyone, welcome to another day of vlogmas. Me and my mom are about to go to an outlet mall near our house, and I don't know what she's doing, but I know that I'm just going with her because she asked if I wanted to go with her. Then later I'm going to a hockey game, and afterwards I'm going out with my friend. Yeah, come along with me, let's get ready and then we're gonna go. Okay, so I'm all ready now. Got my hat, got my 2 jackets on, I'm wearing sweatpants and my platforms because it's cold outside. It's like 42 degrees, but I think I'm ready now. Gotta put on my watch, check, gotta grab my bag, spray some perfume, and then we're off. It tastes like chocolate milk. I don't like it. We're at the lot just seeing what catches our eye because my mom's car is dying. So she's looking at other cars. There's a Jeep over there in that parking lot and it's $38,000. She was like, do you mind if I copy you? And I was like, no. Must be a Jeep family, that's cute. Look at these clouds. Stop.
I like that Jeep though, I really do.
Are we gonna become a Jeep family?
See, that's probably going to be the kicker. Okay, I am trying to get some information about a vehicle that you have on your lot. I'm sitting out here by it now. I'd like to look in it and drive it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, I'll be on now.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Oh, what about this? Okay.
You want to take for a scan, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have your driver's license with you?
My purse over there.
Okay, so she finished driving it and now I'm about to drive it up to the front. She might be buying it. Ah! Jeep family unite. I cannot believe that I'm driving this Jeep up to the front because she might buy it. That's kind of crazy. Oh my gosh. I don't know. What are you doing?
I'm supposed to be outside my husband Christmas gifts and I'm here trying to buy a car.
are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. Eating some Edgar's pie.
It's cheesecake.
I'm also a little nervous because this is just something I just did on a whim. Not really sure if it's the right thing to do, but I said the Lord intends me for this and brought me over here, and I wasn't coming this way, so if it works out, it's because He wanted it to work out.
Amen.
Go with that.
Amen.
Okay.
Okay. Just sigh.
See, the pee won't right. It won't even come out.
I gave you the one that
That was not even working.
that's like gift for stealing.
Okay.
I took it out of his desk. So that's fine. Congratulations.
Yay! Beautiful. I'm in a G-Wagon for the first time in my life. Gotta get in.
Okay. We're here.
You got a Jeep. She's a Jeep owner. So cute. Alright guys, so this angle is awful, but we made it. We're driving both the cars home now. I'm so excited that she's now a part of the Jeep community, and it's so crazy to think that this was all just because we were just going to come see the cars. No one was planning on buying anything, and it's funny because it was in the Mercedes-Benz lot and she bought a Jeep, so I find that so funny, but here we are. A part of the Jeep fam. Okay, so now I'm back home. I have to fix my makeup because we're going to a game today. You're coming to a game with me. Anyway, so I'm gonna get ready for that. I will try to film a little bit and we'll see. Okay, so makeup is done. I just did a quick little touch up / put on my lipstick, so that's that. Now I have to put on my uniform. Getting this on camera right now. This is amazing. This is so funny. Oh my god. What is happening? This is so funny. Oh my god. Okay, so I know you can't see me, but the game is finally over. Well, we leave before the game is officially over. The plan is to go get some food, and then I'm gonna meet my friend at her apartment, and then we're gonna go out and have a great night. So we stopped at the gas station. It is currently 11:30. We just left her apartment at 11:30. She's getting gum right now, so. Mess we made. Only reason that I'm not afraid to try outside. It's crazy. That you need to know. I thought for sure it was that. When you wait, but we're late. Hey guys, I don't know what's wrong with my voice still, but it's fine. I'm fine, and it is currently 3 o'clock in the morning. And I am headed home. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please come back tomorrow. My voice will probably be like this. I'm so sorry, but it's freezing, so I'm gonna go home and go to sleep. But thanks for joining me today on today's Vlogmas video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Oh my God.